Materials used for today's project include a wooden ball, acrylic paint, jewelry caps, coaster board architect guide, craft glue, aluminum wire, sequin, and foam ball. To begin, paint a wooden ball using acrylic paint. Let dry. Then glue down a jewelry cap and then a sequin. Next, glue down a jewelry bead cap. Trace 2 hexagon shapes onto a piece of coaster board. Draw a line down the middle, and then cut out. Glue pieces together as shown. Paint the top and inside of the lampshade using acrylic paint. Pull 4 pieces of craft wire through a jewelry bead cap. Then, wrap a single piece of craft wire around the joined wire. Separate the exposed wire. Mold and glue down wire onto lampshade. Cut remaining wire to fit. Place in jewelry cap on and then glue lampshade onto wooden ball. Trace and cut out 2 circles for the base of the lamp, and then paint. Use a styrofoam ball for the light bulb. Finally, glue on the base of the lamp. All done. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, please like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, goodbye.